30. Geology and forest soil. Acid soil, soil that has pH value less than 7. A horizon, a soil horizon consisting of mineral soil which have the maximum of organic matter accumulation and maximum biological activity. Air porosity, the proportion of the bulk volume of the soil that is filled with an air or any given time or under the given condition, also called a social porosity. Alkaline soil, a soil that has a pH value greater than 7. Alluvial fan, a fan-shaped deposit accumulated at the growth of the canyon at the foot of the mountain. Alluvium, sediments that which are deposited by running water or streams, also called as alluvial materials. Ammonification, the process which decomposes amino acid by soil bacteria, resulting in the production of ammonia and ammonium. Anion, a negatively charged ion formed by the addition of electrons to atoms molecules. Available water, a portion of water, a soil water that can readily be absorbed by the plant roots. Bedrock, the soil rock underlying the soil and the regulate which is depth ranging from 0 to several hundred feet. The horizon, a soil horizon usually beneath the horizon that is characterized by the presence of concentrated silicate clays, iron, aluminum, and oxides, humus. Capillary fringe, a zone just above the water table that remains almost saturated. Capillary, a soil water held in the soil pores that is readily absorbed by the plant. Cation, a possibly change formed by the removal by electrons from atoms or molecules. Cation exchange, the interchange between the cation in solution and other cation on the surface of any surface action material. Chemical nitrogen fixation, a fixation that has place at a high temperature and pressure in producing ammonia, which is used to manufacture fertilizer. Sea horizon, a mineral horizon generally beneath the soil that is relatively unaffected by biology activity. Clay, a soil separated consisting of particles less than 0.002 mm in diameter. Cohesion, a force holding the solid or liquid together owing the attraction between like molecules. Collovium, a deposit consisting of rock fragments or soil materials accumulation and the base of slip slopes as the result of gravitational action, also called as collovial material. Composed, a mixture of organic residuals that on phylloed and allowed to undergo biological decomposition and use as fertilizer. Decomposition, the process of dissolving materials and organic materials into a new compounds, also called chemical withering. Denitrifying bacteria that is capable of changing soluble nitrogen compounds into gaseous nitrogen. Denitrification, the biochemical reduction of nitrate or nitrate to gaseous nitrogen. Desalination, removal of the salt from the saline soil, usually by leaching. Diastrophism refers to the action of forces causing earth crust to be deformed, producing mountains or changing of the level. Disintegration, the reduction of the rock or smaller pieces mainly by the mechanical means, also called mechanical and physical withering. Dapmal, the porous humus that is found in the transition zone of the horizon that may produce either into more or mal. Adaptology, the science that deals with the influence of soil in living things, particularly plants including human use or land for plant and growth. Elevation, the removal of soil materials from the zone of impoverishment to the zone of enrichment. Essential element, a chemical element required for the normal growth of plants. Fertile soil, the soil that is substantial amount of readily available elements necessary for plant growth. 5 risks, an organic soil that has least decomposed all organic soil materials containing very high amount of fiber that are well preserved and readily identifiable or botanical origin. F layer, a layer of the forest floor that is immediately below the litters consisting fragmented or partly decomposed organic materials. Floodplain, a land boundary of stream belt of the sediments by overflow stream and subject to in addition which is the stream is a flood stage, also called bottomland.